Hi, my name is Kenneth Woodard. I'm the Director of Virtual Engagement, and I helped develop this app. You're going to love this app so much because what you'll find here is videos that will show you how to prepare not just for New Scholar orientation coming up, but also for your workshops and counseling sessions. And there will be videos from students who were in your seat just a few years ago. We've got students on the app here who have done videos for you, who go to Hope College in Michigan and even colleges like Harvard College in Massachusetts. And what you'll love about this is that there's one-stop shop, everything you need to know in this app that sets you up for your counseling sessions with your Chicago Scholars counselor and your workshops with your mentors and fellow cohort members. So I hope you enjoy the app. Please use it as much as you can. Be a frequent visitor. Leave comments and stars so that we can continue to improve the app for students like yourself who will come after you. Thank you so much for engaging, and we hope that you enjoy the app. And finally, congratulations again on becoming a Chicago Scholar.